Okay, I have 2 to 3 pounds of chicken breast. I'm just going to go ahead and dice it up and season it. To a frying pan, add some olive oil. And we're gonna sear our chicken breast. Let it sear about 2 minutes and just flip it over. In that same pan where I seared my chicken, I'm going to make my Alfredo sauce. Add some butter. You can use garlic or you can use garlic paste. Either will work. Once the butter starts to melt down, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my heavy whipping cream. Get that poured in and let it start to heat up a little bit. And once it starts to heat up, I'm going to slowly pour in my cheese a little at a time. Add salt and pepper to taste. Turn off the stove and set it to the side. In some boiling salted water, you want to add about 10 to 12 lasagnas. Boil for about 8 to 9 minutes. Now I'm going to make my ricotta cheese mixture. Egg. Cheese. And spinach. The spinach is optional. You don't have to add the spinach. Let's get that mixed up. I have my oven heating on 375. I'm getting ready to assemble my lasagna. Get that egg mixed in there really well. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. Now I'm getting ready to assemble my Alfredo lasagna. I'll take a little bit of sauce and just put it on the bottom. Not much. And then I'm going to start with my noodles. Then I'll add a little layer of my ricotta mixture. Get that spread it in evenly. After I get my ricotta mixture in, I'll go ahead and lay in some chicken pieces. After I lay in some chicken pieces, go in with a little mozzarella. And a little more Alfredo sauce on top. And start over again. Noodles. Ricotta mixture. Add some more chicken pieces. And mozzarella. We cheese lovers over here, so you can put as much cheese or as little cheese as you like. More Alfredo sauce. And your noodles. This will be the last layer. Get that spread in. Add more chicken. Mozzarella. And Alfredo sauce. Once you complete your layers, you want to cover it, put it in the oven on 375 for 25 minutes. In those last 25 minutes, 10 minutes uncovered. After out of the oven, sprinkle with a little parsley and wait about 15 minutes before serving. This is the final results of my chicken Alfredo lasagna paired with garlic toast. Enjoy. Hey, PattyKakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.